Welcome. In front of me is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to remove the battery from this device. So to get started, I'm just gonna lock the device so I don't touch it by mistake. And on the bottom right side, I think, yep, you have a little place where you can put your fingernail and start pulling off the cover. Oh, and it just kind of fell out on its own. But I'm gonna put it back in. So all you want to do is just kind of like take it out like so. In certain cases you will need to push the battery upwards and then take it out, but this one just seems to come out without a problem. So that's how you take it out. And then you actually can put in SIM cards, as you can see right here, and SD card if you wish to do so. And putting back in is just as simple as just sliding it in like so. And then you can put the cover back on. And what you need to do now is just hold the power key and turn on the device. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So that is how you remove the battery. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.